Hi there. In my previous video we identified the failed disk on our Linux system, which is dev SDS. Now the next step is to find the exact physical slot of the disk inside the server, so the data center technician knows which drive to replace. So before we run any commands, let me explain something important. In servers, hard drives are organized inside what's called an enclosure. An enclosure is basically a box or tray that holds many hard drives together and connects them to the server hardware. Think of it as a rack where the drives sit physically. Since servers often have a lot of drives, it's important to know exactly which slot holds the failed disk. Okay, what's step number 1? Okay, find the enclosure device. To start, we will use the command called lsscsi-g. Okay, let's run this command. This command lists all the SCSI devices connected to your system. That includes your hard drives and also the disk enclosure itself. The enclosure will show up in the list with the label enclosure or something similar. Let's look. This is the word. Here you can see dev sg27 is our enclosure. Okay, what's next? Next, we need to find the disk's unique SAS address. Every SAS, which means serial attached SCSI disk, has a unique identifier called SAS address. It's like a fingerprint for the disk that never changes. We use this to match the logical disk name with its physical identity. You might have heard network card has a unique number called MAC address. So SAS address is something similar to that. So how to retrieve the SAS address? Let me give you the command. In order to retrieve that, you have to use udevadm command, and let's query all data related to dev SDS and grep for the SAS address. Okay, here you can see this long number. This is the SAS address. Let's copy that. Perfect. Now we know the SAS address. What's the next step? The last step. Find the physical slot number in the enclosure. Now that we know the SAS address, we ask the enclosure which physical slot contains this disk. For that, we use the command. Let me put the command here and run it. sg_ses is the command you need to run. This command searches the enclosure dev sg27 for the SAS address we got earlier and prints the information about the slot number. The output tells us something like device slot number 18. You can see here device slot number 18, which means the disk is physically in slot 18. Right. So if you don't have sg_ses in your system, let me find out which package provides this tool. Okay, here on the d package query command, and you have to install sg3-utils package in order to get this command if it's not available. Right. With this info, you now know that the failed disk dev SDS is physically in slot 18. This allows you to give clear instructions to your data center technicians. No more guessing which drive to pull out. I hope this video is informative. Thank you very much for watching.